I have dishes. I just finished making Queen G and I. We just shared a grilled cheese sandwich for lunch. Yes, I said lunch. So got my pork chops out. Look at that. It's 2 o'clock. I still have to unload the dishwasher and then load the dishwasher. Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Then I did my laundry yesterday, and then my husband did his laundry yesterday, so I need to put those upstairs in our closet. I gotta get all this out of here. It's hecka cold today. Ooh. It's been a while since I had my appointment. Anywho, so yeah, it's like 2 o'clock. I have been working in my planner, trying to do my lists and trying to get situations situated. And then Kitty decided to climb up on my lap. So of course I gave her my time. I don't know what is going on. My eyelid has been hecka twitch. Do you see that? It's been twitching for the last, this is the second day. It's been on and off. So we'll just go with it. So if all of a sudden you see my eye twitching, you'll know. This is an open collab hosted by Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. Go check out her channel and the playlist, which I will link in the description box below. There is a variety of YouTubers on there to give you more motivation to tiny tidy. And then look at this. This is Christmas stuff. I need to put this up in the attic for my tiny tidy. It's not just unloading and loading the dishwasher is my everyday morning routine, but like I said, it's around 2 o'clock, so I need to get that done. Laundry needs to go upstairs. I should have done it yesterday, but it was football. My apologies. And then this is just bothering me, and I really need to get that upstairs in the attic. So let's go. And it's super cold, so this would be a perfect time to go up in the attic. Mom is watching Navajo Traditions teaching, I believe, on YouTube. So she's doing good. She's finishing up with her lunch. So I'm going to put on my iPods just to kind of calm me down and listen to some music while I do my tidy real quick. Alrighty. That figure. Oh. Wiped everything down. Dishes are now in the dishwasher. I need to wash the window because some little kid I mean, we're talking a really young kid, not a teenager. He threw one of the lemons must have fell from the tree onto the sidewalk, and they actually threw it over, and one of them hit the window, went whoosh, and then the other one barely even made it to the wall here. I was like, gosh darn it. So I know I have to wash my windows. It's getting pretty bad, but that's not going to be today. I'll have to remind myself to put that on the planner. But now the kitchen counter, everything is all clean. Now check the laundry. Gonna get my workout today for sure. All right, so obviously these now need to be pushed back there. And while I'm here, I want to find some of my Valentine's decor. Since I'm up here, might as well do it, because I really don't want to come back up here. Hubby just came home in the nick of time. Save my knees. Nice. And unfortunately, I don't have a box for these. Put that on my planner. I need a storage container for those. And then this one I forgot for Thanksgiving.
Or you want this one?